This is the SKG H5 neck massager. This is how it arrives. Really nice packaging right here. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. My opinion is I like SKG products. They make good stuff. Inside the package, you're going to get the neck massager itself and about a 19-inch USB Type-C cable, because this is a cordless rechargeable device, my favorite kind. It weighs in at about 2.4 pounds, not very heavy at all. And it has a 2000 milliamp battery that'll run for in the range of 90 minutes per charge. And if you turn this on and run it through a cycle, it automatically turns itself off after 10 minutes. I love the auto shut off feature on there. This massager has what they call 4+2 60 massage heads to simulate a real human hand massage. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. These guys get your neck right here, and these guys get your shoulders. At first I was kind of skeptical, but this thing really digs in there. And it kind of does feel like someone is working on you. It's pretty wild. There's a button right here to turn it on by long pressing it. And if you short press it, it cycles in between the 3 different types of massage. Look at that thing go. And there's a button right here where you can turn on the heat function. There's 2 different heat levels. It takes about a minute to warm up, but once it does, it feels really great. You can see that it has kind of a backpack design to it. The reason for that is that you can use it hands-free. It's kind of neat. There's an elastic belt that clips into place around your back. Personally, I like to put it on this way. I like to use it in several different ways. Sometimes I'll wear it like a backpack. Sometimes I'll just put it in place and use the strap to manipulate the areas that I want to hit. It's great too to put it on an ottoman or a couch and use it to massage your hamstrings and your calves. It really feels great. It is cordless, it's lightweight, it's portable, and rechargeable. Perfect to use at home or at work at your desk, pretty much anywhere. I love this thing.